What is the role of exercise and lifestyle in prostate cancer outcomes? Studies have shown that vigorous physical activity promotes DNA repair. Cancer cells often have damaged DNA, and that accounts for their wild, out of control growth and spread. So previous observations of men who exercise vigorously show that there is a reduced risk for overall mortality, mortality from all causes, and prostate cancer mortality. And this has been shown by epidemiologic studies at the University of California, San Francisco. And they published two separate studies in the last year showing that vigorous exercise can reduce the progression of prostate cancer and both mortality from all causes and prostate cancer specific mortality. Other lifestyle elements that have been linked to reducing disease, reducing cancer include avoiding obesity, as we stated before, getting exercise, avoiding heavy smoking and drinking, and good sleep habits. Always get good rest if you can. And a positive mental attitude never hurts. They found that the immune system is weaker when people are very stressed, and is stronger when people are optimistic and when people have a positive mental attitude.